Today I'll be using two plastic bottles to make a candle stand. So to begin with, I'm going to make a cut just below the neck area like this, where you can see that design kind of thing. I'll be cutting the bottle over there, so you can make use of a blade. So kids, please don't try this without an adult help in case if you all like this tip. So once you all are done with cutting both the bottles at this level, can you see there's an imprint of the expiry date of that drink? So I will be removing it with the help of a perfume. You all can use acetone as well. And once you have cleaned both of the ink stains, the cover ink stains like this, can you see this mark? I am going to place on one of the bottle cap on top hot glue, and I will tilt the other one upside down, the other cut portion over that cap in this way. Once you have done this much of it, that's it. That's the end of our candle stand. Now to enhance the beauty, you can either color it, and if it is just for temporary use, you can use it as it is. So now I'm heating up the bottom of the candle and I will put it inside the stand in this way. So our candle stand is ready. Do share this and do not forget to subscribe for more. Bye.